Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a teeny tiny haul, and it is this $9.99 Mungyo sort of iridescent oil pastels. Now, let me preface this. I was looking for something. I love a little glitter on my artwork, just some like a little gold touches of things. And with most mediums, that's very easy to come by. You can use lots of different things. But I wondered if the oil pastel world, did they have something a little shimmery, something I could incorporate into my artwork that just gives it a little magical something something. And so I'm a big fan of Mungyo oil pastels, so I picked up this small set of, I think it was iridescent. You can check out the links below. Um, they're fine. To be honest, was a bit disappointed. Both in two ways. Number one, they weren't all that iridescent-y, if that makes sense. Um, they didn't bring a lot to the table that was different from just your normal color of oil pastel. And number two was I love Mungyo oil pastels, but these felt stiffer to me, maybe not as good quality. I don't know if it's because of whatever they put in there to make them quote unquote iridescent. Not sure. Um, Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Maybe I'm not saying don't get them. They're certainly inexpensive enough to get them and try them if you're wanting to. Um, but personally just didn't see them as on par with my regular Mungyo oil pastels, which I love, 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 love. So not sure what to make of that. Even the packaging's a bit, I mean, the packaging itself is the same, but if you can see like the paper around the oil pastel is different than the other one. And so I don't know. I just wonder if it's made in another factory or something. Who knows? I don't know. Um, but I was kind of like, meh. Wasn't quite what I was looking for anyways. I think these would be fine. I don't know if I'll end up just giving them away or something, but I think that just wasn't what I was looking for, and I have oil pastels that I loved using, so this didn't really add a lot to the table, which was disappointing. I have found that my Liquitex bottle of gold acrylic ink does do pretty well on top of the oil pastel if applied with a paintbrush, so I guess I'm going to probably stick to that. Sennelier does make some that have a little shimmer in there, and so maybe I will try those. Here I'm bringing out just contrasting here with my regular set of Mungyo oil pastels and same size stick and whatnot. It just, I don't know, just wasn't floating my boat, I guess. You might get them and love them. I don't know. They just weren't quite for me. So, it is what it is. I just wanted to put it out there in case anybody out there was looking for the same thing. Don't mind my super messy flower here. I don't know what was going on. Looks like Animal from the Muppets or something with the hair. But anyways, I don't know. They just didn't work out, which is a bummer. But it is what it is. After all the art supplies that I do have that I love, I don't have a ton that have not worked out. So there's that. So I think I'll just stick to some of my other forms of of media just to stick on top of that instead. So anyway, I wanted to put it out there in case anyone was wanting to try it. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.